Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Osaloboa ehia ye kwemwima. Osaloboa erimane ohia erimafo. So thank you for coming. It's all about justice for our brothers. Okiri. Pillar men. Ni awa gbele wa radio. A justice ini ma yesoyi. And if you okiri so we enogi agbe we no ya treating ya wo ma je ya we gbe we yan ne. Here we are my only die. Here we no step down. So thank you for coming. As you are just coming, share this broadcast. I did here with my brother, Ogele, one of Oslo. Ogele, I talk by. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, my brother.
Mona share this broadcast. Wagai. Other way. I knew one na gbe na we ne vie. Evini a we view Kirie Be, the Miami community okpa, the Nani Yasunu. And I salute all Ola Coco followers, and I salute all our secret followers. The way we want to stand to make sure say, Okiri people, they get justice for waiting that they pass through at this moment. Ema ya celebrate Christmas, ema ya deliver you wa, ema ya dukmo. When we are with Christmas, your makamarokba. If you Okiri, o ahie eyanji iya agemotian emi ya gbelemi ya wa ibi ro pa sunu we yan so iya ma dey happy. My great Steve, thanks for coming. I see you. That is you are welcome to Ola Coco Facebook badge. That is a new Ola Coco Facebook badge. I believe today I will receive a lot of star. So many people don't really become Ola Coco supporter. So I really greet you once again. And I salute all my followers. I salute the secret followers, and I salute all the Facebook badge. The way that they encourage my page, that God will bless all of you. You will never share this broadcast, may you share them. Okiri people, then we all come out for. And then we come out for. A lot of people they wonder, you not come from Okiri. Okiri matter not let you live. But I won't fit leave Okiri matter. I don't feel leave Okiri matter. Because you when they fight for Okiri people, you will not say, God no they sleep, God they see you. You will know waiting all this people they pass through for long. Up till now, still here, they see they cry. Video when I show now, I think yesterday, video when I show now 2019, December 2019. Then they pass through all that difficulties. See them now. Who's here we day now? Whose month we day now? Not be see December. Not be see December. Breaking news. We can get breaking news for now today. You will never share them. Share this broadcast. Share them. We get breaking news. Ogele, free to greet your people. Greet your people because you are now.
Yeah, my brothers and sisters. I greet you now. I greet everybody from. I'm greeting everybody from Scandinavia. I greet you now in Nigeria, UK, Italy, Germany, Holland, all of the community people. I greet all of you now. We carry this Ogbonge talk come today because of our brothers who get problem for our brothers where they kill. There is one thing I need to tell people. You must not come from a community before you support any progress of any community. As far as they are our Edo brothers, Edo, we are one speaking people. So as far as we are from Edo State, Ukiri is a part of Edo State. And whatever affected Ukiri people, it affected us. Because why? The people that died, they are our brothers. So any really, ni baba yangagbi, no bigia wele baba. Eba ama wa mujana wa egeli no kya very baba gana no wa agbele yo mani we my supporting in that video. Or see Malawi Magwali justice in case Ukirina. And my brothers and my sisters, Ukiri people, free to tell us the way forward. And why hide them up? Because this is media, you don't need to hide anything. Because while I hide anything, When my ula koko ye mo so ma do gbe 3 hours 4 hours. So my can all my can le won all you ma imadwa tell me no ma gba wan. So anything as soon if you know what must to make ula go understand. You know so no this is the way forward do. So amawa ikinawa we labo. So ere media ya winner. So and why update every year for Emma keep on no Emma. So every video pani ye no dena ogu legun. If you pani akata makeso broadcast na we dena. E deni sini no we what o kairo kidini e betrayal no. On video na send the gimeno de ogu legun na we anyo. Nyoga aro da o yin yale no gina ma no pa. Why na me no gina e guro ora nia. So e gbon we why e betrayal no. O e me aye ya no. Ime watch the video gbe me. See him on the front of the camera. You know why you work criticizing Enogi na go madam. But today is with the Enogi. So e gbon we make na mo woni na wa gba oge. Cause enye na make no mu da. On we call they na criticizing e na wa igbaro 5 and 6. What are you going to tell people that people will believe you? So e gbon we be mu wa ni enye no. Wa ni wa kin won e. So Labwe, now that one want to talk first to we carry on the broker.
My people, I agree to now as soon as I wanna create time, may we analyze this Okiri matter. You will never share this broadcast, may you share it. Mona they like the broadcast, like them. 71 people watching on YouTube now, is only 13 people don't like them. Make una they like the broadcast. I greet all of you once again. EOY in the building. EOY, I see you. Iya Egbe. Mama Rosalie, thanks for coming. I see you. Omozusi, I see you. Thanks for coming. Mas, thank you very much for coming. Osas Vito, I see you. Aloha, thank you for coming. Osas Idia, thanks for coming. Osas Vito, thanks for coming. Baba Steve, that is the new Olakoko Facebook badge. My leader, I respect you. Thanks for coming. Baba Matthew, I greet you now. Those are the Olakoko Facebook badge. Roslyn, Yamu, Yagbe, Obokian, Nalauna Shere. CY, thank you very much for coming. Stella, I see you. Thank you for coming. Who never share me, share and you when they watch for the YouTube channel, we could feel free to like the page and feel free to send super chat to support the brokers. You when they watch from Olakoko, one of everywhere talk show, please to you all follow the page, click like, click love, and don't forget to send me star during this broadcast to support these brokers. And above all, make sure not forget to be my Facebook badge. Please to you all. The way Steve take do am, the way Matthew take do am, the way CY take do am, the way Stella take do am, a lot of people now, the way they take do am, now this one made the talk. He may swing ya, he may swing. Una oma be we ready ye manane. I never ever start. Come, even now we if you kiri na, ojo wa le gbe a. Ojo wa le gbe a. Abi agboge were. O kaine lori o talk were a. Make una be careful. Be careful. Even now we you kiri le gbe na. Oh when we ready ye mo work and say. Bi you kiri a una yi. Bi yan si you wa gbe wo mo la ge gbe yo kiyan. They see you work me. I mean, say whoever. Oh, what again? Oh, may give you a like Lawa. Baba James tries to call me. Oh, may give you a Lawa. I didn't let me. Oh, here you are, Jare, we have no gear. Oh, here you are, by no gear, give a door. What I've been a look at it. I'm when walk by. If you will learn, who may be water. They can make it. They can make the mistake. I want call it a broadcast scenario. Someone you don't call for the broadcast say, or whether that might be a no gay, or wait or rally cool, if you ever belele, here belele, here that mujin you egg, they can egg, they can egg, now egg, they can wear your muju wet bottom. Why your muji wet bottom? Where you for lose your respect from your people, where you for lose your respect. And then anyway, anybody know you cook it, I mean no tell your way no man. I mean no tell your way no man. So my people, oh this one, now only one person be bad there, we incorporate. You know, go fit draw these brokers go back. You know, go fit draw go back. Make una the same star. Make una take the pepper on. You know, these kind of people, they know they show their face for comment. Or while they press it the red, ole. Agbe boys. Why do I press it red one? Or kage lo we ote. A red way do happen. Red way do happen. Why say the star? No ya pepper here. Why get a yellow tin here so? Why say the star? No ya pepper here. Or no 1 cent. Why bele yo? No ya pepper here. All right, my people, still on the matter. I salute all of you. All my secret follower, all my great follower. I salute all of you. The way we ought to stand with Okiri people. The way we ought to stand. Oh, we cry command for justice. And God answer us. My mate Bosa say, God answer us. That one I'm sure. We come out, we cry, say, okay, the people need justice for the people who die. Then protest happen. God bless Kola Edokpayi. Protest happen. House of Assembly wake up. They wake up. They pick up on themselves. They invite Kola Edokpayi. A video. Now they are invited no gay. I be. You have a be no wavena. I invited no Guinea. Now, what's the name of that video for? What's the name of that no Giota? Ni amoi the video. All right, make I play the video. Okay, let me play the video.
Yeah.
Me. Because okay, can I? Because of me so neonia. When the matter here, we want to know. Yeah, Ania we are arrest. We enter. When they carry them go court. We are the Jena. Our mama, at the year now say, and we have via Yoko. I remember Yoko with you are. May my IFO, but go back with the video no one.
That was the presentation of the report of the House Standing Committee on Appropriation and Project Monitoring on year 2022 Appropriation Bill and Budget Estimate for consideration by the Chairman of the Standing Committee, appealed for rescheduling of the consideration to a later date in view of the various activities of the House. The Deputy Speaker, Roland Asoro, who is also a member of the committee, commended members for their commitment towards the timely presentation of the report.
Mr. Speaker, I'm looking at the exigencies of time and what we need to do today, and I want to I want to thank every member of the committee, as well as other members that have done a very tedious job in ensuring that this report came out at the most needed time.
Speaker Marcus Onobun directed the Clerk of the House, Audu Aya Omobai, to make copies available for members and slate consideration for a later date. Members adjourned to continue consideration of the 2022 Appropriation Bill on Wednesday next week.
We have an invitation to join His Excellency the Governor of the State to receive His Excellency the Vice President of Nigeria, at the opening of the South for trouble. It's time actually we decided at our sitting time, so we'll try to speed up.
Following a petition on the gruesome murder on 15th November 2021 of 5 members of Ukiri in the Oboka local government area, the House Standing Committee on Security, as part of their investigative activities, invited the Enogi of Ukiri, His Royal Highness Godwin Aigbe.
I have met with the committee and we have discussed. So far, 3 suspects have been arrested and the police are investigating. My heart goes to the family that suffered the loss. And me did pain. Because these people who were killed are indeed my brothers, and my subjects.
Kingsley Uchebu reporting.
Wabere ya. Wadane yo evinota. Now, what is the way forward? What is the way forward? We're saying money now, we have to where these people, but not who or when no. Any here na. Any me on a do no, them matter no. Up to you. My
brother, Enogi is not a serious king. So I wait him mama organize a way now. Nezo na ya say House of Assembly, I contact the caller Doc Bayi. Yemaka udenalai a House of Assembly. Yemaka on the Bagadola there a media the House of Assembly where Emana or oh it's a camelo or no. They went for almost 1 month. A nugget of a community cannot go to media and say people should come to my aid. It's his own duty because we're the king of that community. But the community people you were near us, you will have support from outside the name. House of Assembly. A bank where you are penny or my penny where we had. You are a liar and you are a deceiver. You don't deserve to rule that community. And we must settle at the media. You're supposed to cry out that people will support you. Who are you deceiving? You cannot deceive everybody. When the few people can't even deceive. A community, a few people who are only. When I say as a king, look at it. Ogele. Nothing. Una have young boys. How you see how you are failed as a king? Who failed in him, my brother? There is no amount of explanation you will give. Because at the first time, when these things happen, even you don't have even money for media. There is social media. You can go to social media and cry out. He ain't share the video. You don't need to even go ITV or ABS. A social media is power. If you're getting there, you never did it. Whoever telephone. Whoever phone our media. Oh, long. Who life? Don't mind my way. Here get to where Mami TV. A royal highness of the community that I can do. Anyway, I'm TV also 100,000. And look at the say 1 hour or say 100,000. You people, you have been manipulating these people. So they have told you they are fed and tired of you. You have to go. That's all. Because you are not a serious king. A king who cannot cry out for his people. That way, okay, no anything. And I don't believe me say, I really say, when I okay, you never come out and cry to the world that they come for your rescue. Do you do that? The answer is no. So therefore, you fail woefully. Because maybe even what you think people cannot go media. You think no, this is a digital world. And then no matter House of Assembly, you never expect that these guys can go up to this length. You were using your retired police to intimidate them. So a time they are not telling you are not above the law. So my brother, carry on.
My people, una watch when Enogi go House of Assembly. My question when they ask, where are the elders? Now all that Gbero, when they back, now be the elders of the community. Now where the elders? House of Assembly no receive. No way. That's where go. Our Gbero no dey lay here ni ave boys na we muni. On your head that's to rokiria. Ubere where if you no so lat we yan o ja no dey gbe. No giopa or that's the money le House of Assembly. Only mean we tell we wa bizu gbe. We no ge na ya pa ye wo na re because e ma no wu Emania Bewa Wokiri. It don't want why. All the Ola Coco followers, supporters, secret followers, you will not come from Okiri land. You they share this video. Now God will bless you. Now I can't thank all of you now. Baba Maswell, Domosa, thanks for coming. Baba Basui, I greet you, Baba. Domo, thanks for coming. I can't thank all of you now. You will not come from Okiri. But you they share this video. Now God will bless you. I can't let you know. Justice when we define people when they key, they say they don't carry the suspect. Today, say yesterday, I run come for situation room because I need to go and get work when I quick go do. When I see where I do broadcast this morning, I see where they come from. Now I say, I'm an awokiri over there give me here. I can't thank you now. The 3 people when the 3 suspects when they say they arrest. I beg, if you be lawyer here, I want me you call for these brokers. If you understand a system of all these police and the way they take the work, I beg me you call. 3 people when they say they arrest, are they here today say, because yesterday, when I know say I go situation room yesterday, I dey go situation room, go dey educate myself. And good dose to Akata Akawan. And an amigo, I really give her the good dose. God bless her. During that situation room, we did there. At this situation room, based on say I need to go quick go cash train. Get where I won't go. Go cash train that night. I need to arrive there in the morning of it. I hear me go. Even I don't come up for the brokers. Like, because during that brokers, and I'm going to talk about chief of staff and Aruna. So during the broadcast, we all contribute, but Mega can go call Aruna. Oh, if you don't know be Aruna, now that will be chief security officer be.
Yeah.
Now he be chief security officer. Or those states you have a.
You're control vigilante.
You control the vigilante. You control Sadebe Avenue. You control the vigilante ni ya fe Aruna Oye Kogi no. Aruna, not be my friend. But yesterday, and you know who? I give her good dose. Oh, wow, we meet it. I don't be betrayer. I don't come up for the brokers. I don't run, go train station, go catch my train. Because where they go now, almost 6 or 7 hour journey. I need to come down for to enter on that train. Now you go Lego here. Even you were call me yesterday, and God will bless you. Or your boss are thanks for calling me. James, I see all of you now. Thanks for calling me. Thank you all. As I did inside train, now somebody called me. He said, come great, Ola Coco. Akataka. And an amigo. He did line with Aruna. Why I know yours come back to the brokers, make I use opportunity, tell Aruna waiting they happen for Okiri. Now content, I did side train. If I watch that video, I don't decide train. I need to enter the brokers back. Now I begin raise my hand, go up, say, Mega beg, give her a signal, make it give me chance, make I quick use opportunity, talk to Aruna. As Mega now, may God bless her, God give me the opportunity, make I talk to Aruna. Now I can't tell Aruna, say, it's a pleasure when I take me to talk to you for line. Now let Aruna na get we give me no sunu we Okiri community. Ebona ianso ani say ogu weboni. Aruna na we de ebono hi ena Okiri. Even stress in ga ye ni or do ni ya or this thing. Even me manere ja bo. I know if you ask me village way near, I don't go know. So me gata me wo ohiri. Only gonna we take no here. Me na we oyi gbo me boss ko SF. So it be like say the somebody not be ugbo, it be like say I make sure that thing. So when you bring your way ugbo or sike ohiri. Even ne no be ana Aruna na we okay okay ohiri. If we go ba oha. Every the way yes. Na ipo ba oha. Even God bless that man, Aruna. Aruna tell mega say, oh, we need call it, oh, we not need call it direct. But in a way, any or yone, we give no soon we wokiri. Either time we a deco, Dennis deco, not yet by your carry hotel. No ya investigate. So on your good on your economy remain okay, Aruna, or they aware ne. In a way, okay, don't you again, Aruna? Don't make a move. Or make a move here, Matana. Then we go know the next step to take. Now, may I continue? At this morning, I'm going to continue the journey. It may drive. We are the drive back to my city. Journey not taking me a lot of hours. When I see snow when I do video. Also, a project will work. No meti boa. I advocacy of here that as a freedom fighter one day be as a Congress idea against them. I call you away bo. Ogele wa call rego to side wa.
We minus.
They pick money for grants for Europe. Before they break, we all don't run. Go to fire our daily bread. Now I receive call when they come for road. They say the 3 people when they cash, when they sit down, they be suspect when they don't arrest. Are we having your code? You way did this line. Most of una hair's lawyer, most of una know all these things about how this thing they work. Without carry all these suspects, they don't go court.
Yeah, I think you court. Yeah, I think charging court in there.
Okay, charging a court. My don't you court here.
Because the way I'm hearing now, a family name may lawyer or here. So the community diaspora here we may lawyer here. So I was trying to make them to understand yesterday they have to join the 2 lawyers together. So maybe they are already case in here.
Yokiri la watire gwagwe pini no bayewa. Watire no gwagwe magwa. Moku na educators.
Because they were not sentenced, I have your Yoko. Because
am I muya court? Me do ya muya court in it? Me only me when the court in it.
Yeah, I think I will remind you. But normally the normal procedure, when not sentenced, I have your Yoko. I will watch us if I will quit. I'm not sentenced. I have your one.
Yeah, I arrest him. We need to confess. We need to confess. Dia magwa kakao. Dia guayo. O kene boye.
Well, because here I confess, a lawyer can tap with the family man. No, because family man might protest in any manner. No, I have never seen any one of them who have called. Okay, we are calling. We are updated. This is what I'm saying.
Anyone know what to Otwere emaniamu niamuna niamu we
ni agbe
emani agbe dotwe nusu and away from the lawyer veni ahia la watire ola koko merire gwaye case ma gwaye case imami utoi okay okpa tiene we're going with Colina. I'm going to return it to yes, we can. Hello, caller. Oh, Nigeria.
Already connect.
Nigeria
no.
Idomo.
Baba, hola Coco one.
Wato.
Achimbi fo ye.
Ise o.
Enwari we.
Ise.
Ebi no ma o kan ra so bo woro.
Amen o. Amen.
Igbina na o kan ami o.
Amen. Ise.
Mata gele do ni ka gege yi lo kan. Obi yan ni mata gele no ge ma ho. We ya bi an ri e. Oko. Ya bien ye quotidien on imagine ma he. All the mana we protest in there because my hair where something is wrong. All the cost from there without proper investigation. Even among the people don't believe some of them are still online. You understand?
Yeah.
That was what I was telling the assistant commissioner. That why can't they track their numbers? They are still online. You know? But I mean, a lawyer or community that's what I believe a lawyer. And maybe my belief goes but my boy there, my wife.
My brother, I think they brought it.
Of course, up to you. Nota.
Okay.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Go on.
Okay, my brother, when also a lawyer or not stand the case of money wulonia.
A lawyer no go petition area the House of Assembly.
Okay, now what we want you guys to do, lawyer cannot be working while information will be lawyer. It doesn't work that way. No. Because a lawyer warrior not stand as a justice for those people that be lower. You cannot be reminding people area prison. What we are fighting for, we want to know who sent these guys. Everything there must be somebody behind it. Everything. What was on the street without my plan work? It doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
So with the family of the disease, you guys have to come together and seek lawyer because they cut him I can be reminding and the lawyer must be aware. As far as they cannot do it on behalf of the lawyer and work video because a lawyer not represented the case. So what you guys are going to do for us now is to meet the lawyer one-on-one to ask the lawyer why was the decision near Vianrioko, why as soon as we have to record and what need the justice. Oh, I don't get number one justice now need. Because of we are wasting time in all these things. Other calamity must still happen. If it's because of one gear. So the police and the lawyers is able to tell you people get confession here and make. Or when you cut a judge the way. And before the judge will remind them. Judge cannot remind them without explanation. They have every right to express themselves. I did problem from that.
Let me clear you. If is that where a case in to
Abuja.
AIG.
Okay.
Yeah. And the AIG have already sent signal to the state command where a transfer case in there. Rudaya police rigo never. Eyana gege prepare charges near ya via a court. And they were
they were sent to Oko. So that way, how you go there? Well, because the RPO, Variga call it, or my phone. Because normally we do call him to ask, when we are here. Or my get to set it on my phone. On Friday, he and I prepare a case. Just this Friday, he and I will be here. Because he and now a further investigation about the killing. Because when Onyoba, I won't mention the name. I have visited those boys. You understand it, Anna?
Yeah.
Then a person in our dinner, boy, where a boy. The eye weakness of another Arua, not laid of Arua, another Ahuwe. Or I were a boy. Where a sample said one boy, not the Bayanian, either Simeon or something. We are very similar by the rest of you. One we must say, Igebo. When our boy and I all drive it must be Igebo. Then, when I would be driving motor, boy, when I can be senior no fear jo. A similar fear jo igbava. The third one, honor do ba. Then, una can be senior where if I get that name, I don't know whether they Samuel or something. Then una can be senior or Samuel that where a proportion where a proportion where or what you buy motor, and you later find the proportion beside the Gable house. Where we were telling no sunuma or no sunuma, a baby one even I do no week. Why is that?
Yeah.
Then the boy was weak. Because that was exactly what happened. Our boy was weak, and he later called this. So when that one was talking, he now said, "If you only go everyone." Are you hearing me?
But why not?
Yeah.
So why this man was trying to listen to our boy? I feel now Dima boy everyone.
Begena.
You know, the IPO was at the back of this man.
Hell.
You know, other Dima boy, so a boy now IPO. So later, a boy now is forced. Or by of me, are you getting me?
Yeah.
Then similar thing happened. The day after the day, they have arrest here. After writing a statement, then they called our boy to come and write statement. After our boy was writing a statement, there was a little interaction between our boy and Igebo's wife. Now, so Igebo's wife maybe was telling our boy, so now you do this one to my husband, now you do all those kind of things, you understand? Then our boy now is how Mama, I want to tell you something. Are you hearing what I'm saying?
Carry
Yeah.
on. Carry on. Kalekwa.
The IPO now shut our boy and say, shut up. What do you have to say? Come on, go inside.
Begena.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
That was what happened. That was what happened that day. So, the IPO ni original. And my brother, the IPO, the IPO were mind the worry. When his hands are tied. That is, even in the Asiatic war, either the appeal or the OC. All the problem is the case. The people not sponsor here. Here we go get police there. When it's around.
Yeah.
So that is why here will further investigation.
No, because my brother, let me come in here. When you are having a lawyer, let me come in here. Since you are a lawyer, the lawyer can appeal against the judgment of the court. He must satisfy.
Yes.
You cannot be reminding people without the people confession are not given. Now it's the duty of the lawyer to reappeal against the judgment of the court. Our appeal. So we Makoyo is not satisfied. Anyone say? I change the judgment case because the formula of the disease now they have to appeal because any of the maybe I'm not working and that one will just be living freely. No, he doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
I investigated criminal.
Again, just hear me now. And again, we also gathered some information today that even while they were doing the charges and every other thing, on Friday, Dennis were there.
Okay.
Belly?
Yes.
Hotel.
Okay.
Hotel.
Yes. Because let me tell you one thing. Whatever you kiri, especially you kiri in the diaspora, no take away wagada ego a case. What happened on the road so that justice to prevail. Because let me tell you one thing. Wana and Yerebo, Amara Kenomuda, Ebony Duna. I mentioned of Dennis just now. Dennis is a snake in the community. You know, Amara investigated guy, a disaster where you didn't know. Go and mark this thing. We don't pray for bad things to happen. But what I'm saying is that the lawyer of the victim, Emmanuel Wulo, the family of the people have to go to the lawyer where you have to appeal against the judgment. Mama Koyo, the IPO have eaten money and we go to IPO. When my IPO, so since I say IGO bonnet, IPO, whatever we can be the IPO, you go to the lawyer have to write a petition to IG, IPO, do a case now. The IPO itself should be investigated. Yeah. Police is not above the law. Yes. Police is not above. Yeah. You cannot be charging people on Friday when I arrange the one money court. I imagine Oko. It doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
Lawyer, we will do all those things, sir.
Yeah.
Then that is that. Edima has concerning the cost and the reminder and all of that thing. Then the issue of Enogi, Gele Yamia as of assembly, one may play ban. One a brought in Gele Abi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who say? They are very observant.
Yeah.
That is it. That is number one. Number two, only the elderly man and arrive. Video with you because of servants of
okay.
We have gotten all the information. I know the House of Assembly where Enogi. Who were a crisis here, all those things. Then there is no war without settlement. We are in settle everything now. The people in the house of the committee were asking him. You know what was his reply?
No.
Away the community soto aenie. That they should, all the community, the ON, or John Way designate and the elders of that community should remove their hands from the land. That is the only way the community will have peace.
We not No, yes, moment, my people yak bebo. Oh, you can't I be what can we can't to? I be very police. Who know to where there?
Now,
Who know to there?
hear me now.
Olagbege, go on.
The committee members, here I know where is there any other person that want to say something? Then one man has stood up and say, I won't mention him, although he knows, where that they should beg Agbe to allow the installation of the audio way and to allow the community to set up a committee that will be in charge of the community affairs. That if they can do this, there will be peace in the community. What I tell you, only one we are only among the youth in the area. Now, here is Ethiopia. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we are hearing you.
Wow.
So, Ethiopia, where a very only you believe where I will be very only and what he is fighting for is not to the side of Enogen or the side of the community, but he is fighting for the peace. Fighting for how the peace will return to Okiri. Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
We are hearing you.
Enogene ga gwegu. Ubege. Now,
My brother.
Another thing is that when we picture what a video I send it about Dennis.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw it.
Ikpe no there hotel Kareli. Ikpe no there.
Dennis, Enogie. That is to tell you where Dennis himself carry accused Enogie where Enogie Omweuria. He called him several names. You know, even says he is fiasa ko ewe in Yagbe. But Ugbe Enogie ka man every am my position na igwe Enogie. So Ejoya Sirun
Now
Enogie accuse her where Ohovie ma dogbiye.
Yeah. We no see Agbe ma oni e to ve no.
all intimidated. We are my brother. No, can I get a call? Let me give you one expo.
Now you are just listening. Then he has accused Ohen where you organize them at being. Now, this is where he normally fails. This man has executed more than 20 cases. Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
I know more than 20 cases. Even also the case always between Ukiri and Ulegun. Maybe we should send you the judgment. The judge specifically said and asked him a question. Are you the only one in that community? Where are your Joe?
Okay.
Where are the elders of the community? Honor Noe, where are the elders? What I found is that you always come here with your young boys. Where are the elders of the community?
Yeah.
Yeah, one no say. Yeah, one no say.
You are harassing. You are harassing everybody because you are a retired senior police officer.
Okay.
Area Judge Gini no come man. Well, I always more like I said. So, man, with the case of father, do you know why? Because all those cases are executed with lies. Because when we hear a good one is intelligent as you are.
Yeah. Even more than him.
Intelligent as you are. So what do what talk a mind or what believe? Are you hearing me?
Carry on.
Yeah.
So that is why he always say he make a case with Samuel Ugiagbe and Faith, with Osaro Adam and Faith, with Dennis Arase and Faith. Even to one of the driver, another trailer, he make a case with him and Faith. He make a case with the people of Ulegun. So now sentencing her for 2 years. He said he make another case against one of our brother, Saturday, we popularly known as Oko. He said, so I can go on and on mentioning all of them. He fell in all. And the only simple reason why he always fail is because of the lying tongue. No other thing. I hear man, I hear man here. And this one, the one we are now, is still going to fail.
When also my brother, there is something I want to tell you guys, and you can't tell my word on him. You see the outcome of this case in our beg area. When can it be a victory case now? Apart from the lawyer, since we case in our signal IG, here not but arrest. Why arresting him do? Why keeping him do? Because they still have about 7 people in my arrest. I don't know. It's an expo and it's an open expo. I have here and I'm winning rock mania. Dabuja wa wamu Abuja. A case is gonna turn upside down. Because why? What you people did not give one. And not give what not give there is here not play the community one. That is just the truth. No, they're not around. They know what play in the community. Yeah, no soon. So what I have the area station the same system here alone and have a those ones should be diverted to other stations entirely in Nigeria. It can arrest here. A case you know who cannot give a any must to confess.
Exactly.
Any because why you more arrest CID who are wasting time.
Yes. Now listen now. Or accuse on here where or failure. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Yekedo accuse on here now. Or can accuse you lego? Never will lego. Are you hearing me?
Kalekwa, LKB, thank you very much. Thank you for the start.
On a petition where if you lego or dog or the petition of Kagman. On another petition or where if you kiri or you be then he went to the palace and make a report before the Oba where Ogulegun then a palace in call Ogulegun and Ogulegun. Both of them were there. In a Ogulegun where one of Giovanna Yagbe Osaya Yagbe Ogulegun we a mama bowo that uswe if you were not just see a philo, maybe a family need or a vanilla or mirror because even Ovi Kalabakara when we know the junction or sustained gun injury that maybe any woman nearly leg with our so here is a good seeing. You know, I had that aware of Guleguno, Elbana was Maveno Jena in Nayam Wanema, or Gulegu, when we were not doing the Umway to have them both. I know you metano. Then when I was there, where they were not doing the Nuwe as them both. Then, wherever I say, Borane, I'm a man, not over. Every le guna we ara wa bo akwa kwe. Yen wa mo bi yen no jore. Yen wa ready. Ni ya mo bi yen no jore even wa akwa kwe na. O sa ye de we yen mi obi yen no jomure. Owo bi yen no jore ore we bo yen na wo ma ta me no ke we bo ade.
Oh, we love her.
The only way to stop that is the only way to solve the problem.
There you go, Yakioto.
Very much one of them I would have beje. Ama would beje palace ya report a case.
Caller, allow free no call back, okay? Need the we need the great video, need the great mania. Free no call back.
All right.
It will beg any. I am a case of money I work when I win. But when the great
Olagwe.
Mudiane Baba Wagwan, when they are with the LKB, thank you very much. One of my share brokers now was share the brokers. Was share and I saw no worship brokers now. We don't mind share. While we had to buy LKB, while we are supported with Star, while we're singing in York. And in the Facebook bash, while be my Facebook bash, while I will. What are you?
That was the presentation of the report of the House Standing Committee on Appropriation and Project Monitoring on year 2022 Appropriation Bill and Budget Estimate for consideration by the Chairman of the Standing Committee, appealed for rescheduling of the consideration to a later date in view of the various activities of the House. The Deputy Speaker, Roland Asoro, who is also a member of the committee, commended members for their commitment towards the timely presentation of the report.
When I made the come inside the wall, when I said when I was saying I just come, people are looking people where they are going back. If other people are elderly people, if other people are the elder for the community. Well, the people where they are going back, all those people that they be the elder of the community. Who are those people?
Speaker Marcus Onobun directed the Clerk of the House, Audu Aya Onobile, to make copies available for members and slate consideration for a later date. Members adjourned to continue consideration of the 2022 Appropriation Bill on Wednesday next week.
Now that place where they now I'm on listing. Not be project, not be so, not be
Following a petition on the gruesome murder on 15th November 2021 of 5 members of Ukiri in Ikpoboka local government area, the House Standing Committee on Security, as part of their investigative activities, invited the Enogi of Ukiri, His Royal Highness Godwin Aigbe.
I have met with the committee and we have discussed. So far, 3 suspects have been arrested and the police are investigating. I had goals to the family that suffered the loss and me deep pain. Because these people who were killed are indeed my brothers and my subjects.
Kingsley Uchebu reporting.
My people, all those people where they this man back, you call yourself a Enogi of community. You call yourself a Enogi of community. They invite you for House of Assembly. Those people, now they be the header for the community. Now all those boys be the header of the community. When I say, oh, waiting all these Okiri people they cry for. It don't open, it don't wide come out. Call up, they call yours now. What go wait here? Make una share these brokers. Ask me, question me they ask. All those people when they back, who be all those people? Who be all those people? Now they be the header for the community. Who be all those people? Thank God now say they ask for the House of Assembly. Say, why be saying now you they come here? Where your elders? You will be the call. Blessing your life where you did not go. They even call Assam. Say, they ask and say, why be saying now you they come here? They go even ask Agbe the Enogi. They say, I want me peace stay in that land. You don't hear what he talk. He say make all of the all live land for him. Ija. Oh, to a problem up here now, Ogele. Egbe na me yeme mi oto
Because of me for Gwene, a boss in the area pressing on the side in Ossie.
Up to you, Ogele. Gwimagwa.
So the only thing I will still contribute in this issue is that I have never seen a place, a court, where I remind them, a man is banning, and not gear, and I made the evidence here, or maybe not gear. FPO, mommy statement, he did like the so it means there's a foul play here. What I will advise to the people, they should have another alternative now. Here, I make any energy. They should not just arrest them in Benin. There's a foul play here. Because when I arrest here, the same procedure here will lack. The same procedure will not have a DNA court.
What talk be? Domosa.
You know, every direct what based on area what's up on or monthly.
While I when you see no so not we kwa Gwimagwa. What tire no any atire maka.
Gele o west is up at the power. Ave Yukri no woman why I west. You get to know woman why I west. All my brothers and sisters around the world, thank you and thank you. First and foremost, when we appreciate him, so the Maria can't join us is then. Mamie a lot of invalid.
Hold on.
Okay.
Piano Oguno. Una digo ya kantini ya supporter Iviokiri. Wa yok power imanwe. Ekpo iridio. Ekpo iridio. Weni no Yokiri. No le diaspora or in Nigeria you una digo ya kantini. Salobo Adebawe. Ogele la yeru suyi aname.
Comment on will contribute to your account as a Kirini. Allow down or Ragmona Oreno. Under where dynamic or Muki. We know we are seriously in the movie. They are on all the scenes you know. Ubera scenes you know, who are scenes you know, Mobile scenes you know, or more scenes you know. Eki to one when I can. Under where Kirina, Utana Doyi, Oviedo Mayaki, or Topa Mayaki, family of Amaki. And Marie Tabare is not composed that almost a village of Padwaka out. As far as no is do Parino or Temaki, we are Yamaki. Or say Mahana by your where a no gain up bar. Or anything on your baby.
Here, only look at what's on near you, or you get by your money. Oh, what bar?
He said,
Papa, you don't get what bar.
Osalobo a de bawa, in Wari man. Why you put my Osalobo a de man? Wa beg picture no ban. No gero or just of assembly. Abe ikia or muda do yeke. Abi kia or muda yeke. No one of them jake. Or take a no one or the side of it. A year do buy me. A yana le. I said with Piwerie. If you will, yeah. Oh, no, call the type of way, or tell me a correct act of assembly, no, good. Other why I tell him on really like, and sure, imagine looking for my thinking. No, but that man, my trade, the man, and all need to make a piece in time. I will my own relating. But that is, oh, get rule. Upon me, or more of you with you. One way did I want to power query. Era mo papa ro aka query. Ogwe na show table ya na se ani. Mi onye ogbele maba. Wa bere. Da be boss na ni gbele ma na de ma no we ma no me power eri ye kian. We so be abe enia uye na ya we.
Yeah, well.
Maybe about 2 months later we am he place he said I'm not giving you any attention away. Na me October no be here. Then we see better always that for us for Sonia. You know I can no more any but they can conference with that around. They use their connection. Na make na remedy they can is that near me can go. Yeah, I'm also going.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, what go. Yeah, I'm also on here.
I'm not
Yes.
we have to cover it. Enough is enough because I'm mama stop playing now. So
Cabo,
Il y a donné nous là. Do wa ma na go wa sa pre yukiri. Wa bi body ma eke. Wa mu ero suma. Ope ya gbegbe ne we baby ado abelde. O bi na lu ma be ne lu ma wa fa lu ma ba so lu ma ota. Even though they are bullying na. You don't be bullying because I tell you no go be ya gbogbo o tell no go be agbe ba. O ti o tell ya bi o si ya bo. You can marry na agbe kin before. Make sure you we maya in Mosa. Or you told him or the whole community, all the Jews can know nine that there or they are in Mosa. And then here I was here. When you see when I call you, I got my bully, the next one, to. Okay, so this man, he must go for it.
My brother, ọmọ mi go fi ayo nu. When me o wa o. Me ask me
prison. Ẹ̀yin no pa go ga ni. E ma bu lo to no gbe. So, akọta mi o ya, ni a confess o ya. E ma no be so yan, they have to confess it. So, Otewe,
hello, gwegwa.
Hold on, gwegwa. Carry on.
Adam yo. Wani bi kudi nerewebu. Wa on wa gele wa mana mi ote emi no gbele mani rebu na mama try the case na mama try kaka because why one ikata muwa a family ni emani wulu ni a lawyer ni am ni they by law you wa nu wa me as a community lawyer. Let me just advise you people one thing for the last time or wa because mama beg anything wa omania am I you say at all because why when we ga ura arrest yanikba the same procedure allowed the first one ayela. Now, what I will advise you guys, what information you can hear why arrest you do, because I mean, I have very area where you are torture, you are again, and then the case is to revise. Because you cannot be sentencing people when I investigate them or sentence here. So there's a foul play here. And even when the lawyer should reappeal against the court judgment, he must satisfy. Okay, or if I'm not here, we want to know. And the FPO not the case here. Or maybe investigation of Paris Ladia. The case is compiled in one court. The case because here I work with 1 year because there's no weakness. There's no strong evidence against them. You guys need to be very, very smart. I'm all the cover. I'm all also come around 6 months here.
What's it? Manipulative, Norita Sora. System of idea and what I'm the Abbatawari. It's not now changing name. Just that, I came my media now. All the
okay, or Mario.
Say the idea already case all the team.
Okay,
so you people won't be surprised. That lawyer there, if I'm not believing now. I go walk and money.
Okay.
You know how many friends? Now lawyer man
okay.
So there's nobody near to bribe. There's nobody. As bribe is concerned, there's no beer. There's nobody near to bribe. So so don't be surprised immediately because after remind them a prison instantly, I want to be there. We have been got to a Friday. You know, here a lawyer. A lawyer is inform Emmanuel. Then he must be banning. So you just wash. It's not going on.
The man will call away. The man will call away.
The RTO, if we tell the world what really happened.
Well, what is Artie? Yes, so far, Artie, give my way call away, caller. Where's it? My will call away. When I take TV, we more, so you can free to call back now and leave your contribution. This is you can call the caller now. Remember me born at day. No girororo.
I want to after we ask of assembly.
Oh, when they That's your toy.
Because I didn't win on here.
What talk with Baba? Congrats. Why are you congrats? Congrats.
Comrade.
When you wear a new name,
Okay, Baba.
first and foremost, let me greet the house.
Double, sir.
Era will believe Uwese Owato.
I hear my brother.
Iwunu wa eba opagbe na opinu kuba. Owo gbe no ro Olakoko. A numerous activist worldwide recognized.
Come on.
Now,
Ilo wa eki. Wa here mo we asilo. E wa la no baby. Wa like a broadcast now. 150 people watching. Wa like
a governor of Osadebe of Adese where's your turn?
double, sir.
Even in the Haiti test because one or 10 of who the same father of where a dome after or some I haven't already I have not been a great but okay ni mayona ya show example if not to put in no you mabega agite na tabana or you see your talk or I see you talk but no you see your talk and o toy nanya mesia tie ni or you can do na nya to your micro to see o toy see yen oni me say o boy ni ka ibo ni yen so when I got because of auto, coming and being only my say. I will see we not do the House of Assembly. For my baby, one of the big last year, one or the one.
Only almost short capping, you only feel oh wow. When so ya voice matter oh yeah. Oh yeah, take very
position ya mi o te e na mo ni mu because ya se like position online ya gbe ni era go o ye na gbe glass ya mo soft cap you but nevertheless we ma bere there's nobody we no one no we be here we at all we ma bere on na radio o akotaraba e ma on ba won we ma le lie my brother wa ato o sa lo boa o wa ri pawe ukbo e badnya e vioyo na a lot of things say ya kan aladia
email
when me ya tam we na me e di obi ya ri wo be e la me o ti e di obi ya ri wo we o tenere e dada massive because e ga to na ma e hukundo nwe oyi ma we ni sunu wo ya sunu we be yo e ke na ba via yi we le ni bona de amaye ke na vio ma e confess abo na ba via ri oko about being a court. How can that be possible? Because there's a foul play there already because in a rigone. In a matter when the Taranaba a broadcast now, I can wine with the woman. Elgo Momo or is the number one trend on social media worldwide already. Other is when Ogbenya enye ale kata de yowe iya man se we do wa we a family get or belele ya ne iya man but ona all sin ofo bere enogi ekinye he ga don right now egbe nyin ne egbe nyin ne so eni me oni me hitayo so elebe ya awe Abuja e ma separate nya
Good.
So right now, we not go your man, now even look my here. The matter changing now already. Go never or say at the value never charge now court. So now we why we adobele. Why me I cannot wait on one no matter amagi yeke our one court. On the So edi ni ake AIG no
IPO.
Ma fun ana na ya de no ba ni ma fun
Ana wasi egbe me me so akoli mi akole me so we na wasi egbe we me so ni ya.
ni a no bi eju we wo para na.
Okay.
Ni ge di ko ne bo na na nya. Egbe yin ni ona we na se ba saja record. So no la yo bi eri. Bere. So all seven of Mara come with another call from Nigeria. But right now, a matter of Picotonel, very
Okay.
honor Ayakian Marian Nicolomani Dioma because of highway just for land.
Yeah.
Very, I see you talk. So what can you do? You have to say, near your man, when you are did by Okwina with or 10 Admoya, or no one am I cosani or the cosani or the also now I like us to believe no yard one your every company we are here well I just go much and against my brother. So why I will say I do the house now. If you could just no worldwide while I will what do they buy for the diaspora in you are Ladian. So a week now, but team will so with all the Admoyadoni, I deal with him and because it no be about ever ima who because of my own level or my not be level I mean saying okay how we have been on the Kanyaba you see medical
oh yeah been your door
oh yeah do it no oh yeah do it in the shop America Diane, what all you are talking about, for example, one with them, am I going to all the time what we are Otonia. But anyhow, Otonia and Mechanic in the yard, no problem, any cow or my york.
Okay. Where's it? Now we call of
I live down one.
Okay.
Where's it?
All right. I will call it now. I'm going to call it now. This one, I call it. We call it so. Hello, caller, talk to us.
Hola, Coco One.
Domo, sir.
All for a bill. If I'll delay, if I can about from what was a cabo.
Yeah, my brother.
Manividi.
Thanks for the start.
In me, I was at Matana. Oh, you feel it. Emewa, go. I'm the first caller, no, I call it. Onado, soon, Onado, Nani, story in Bufiri.
So, anywhere here, first time we are seeing him.
That first time, cavity away.
But Umanti part 18 na hinania. Abi part 19.
The new car we call it or John way to be.
Anyway, it is. Oh man, Guimagua. So anywhere, okay, so this Steve. I appreciate everybody.
Anyway, call it a Joe Gagbe.
Ogugiagbe because any color no warrior Ona dey strange. It will not so any. Don't matter strange. You can suka call. You hear no anywhere. But do my katima. What? Ona is strange over. Uso anywhere. Uma na uso anywhere. No need to call. Except with better information. Carry on. We might go, my brother. You are welcome. We might go.
So, mommy, gele. Usaya de. Not it by no gifty. Or I'm no here. Or why I'm no here kakabo. Because a key of yen and you time a video. Yen is the derived for John way you feel it. Pony have made a drop as a nugi. Also, on our Friday to Sunday, I have your John way you feel it. Gillo side there was a video or John way to be none of your way to be a one sign. Then you no sign the money of you or rightful or John way, no so agree. You say you bear a video of Ballo around our with you. Only remember how we now. Of Balo na amweti ezebegeni. Imanobe dwekini oni ni Dennis na no tegbo kagele.
Degbeta.
Iwe at the year 2010 to 2011. He has bear. Me after the picture of the way. Iwe has bear. He na Balo. Awona amweti eze. He amwe you moto na. He amwe ripele.
So, o kola la o ke continue. Oheni keke agbe out dion yi.
Oh, Metamu and I'll way to be a Metamu.
Okay, I'll way to be.
He has just a head dinner. He has done all you have the Gatti or Moano. He has said, you to be here. On a ballon when I'm with you. Oh, I don't know, focus now or even it.
Odamio, Yarema, Yamwe energy of
Melita.
Yarema.
Even me boy the palace away the year. Ona we ya when we are police in way. Even police of Palace Amia were when we man you may wa so 7 na. So Osaye or why I'm no here wukiri. E wani wulo na ya fe to be wa we no gbeliyan. Always here a criminal police here police oji ra in the police. Also agege le charge na wo dia muya gege muya record ni obiru we de atiu yo gege le okay na ara muya record na only case fo o no here ya pe so mani bi firi ma ya pe bi mo gbe ko yi be ti so bo ave clinical e ni ma o di ma wa re u so de va lai here we amana linya ai so ida ya wiya e pala fi do ke aposa e de fo o si na ya gbode so when just end the life pala ni mani bi firi ya pe wa ye to bi wa because o mo be ke ye Irima talk by Monoba talk by.
Yes, sir.
They want to call for because I dey palace. Here, where we go, no good legu. Near Vacado Vebo, into this, near the matter, you made the Bella Palace in Agwana. Here, the palace, here, what is the one I want to get Ladia? How we read the palace? Here is the palace. Here, you to be another beginning, a review, you to be a big behavior in the palace. Bogan or Yasa. Nidia do ya pay one lao. Ogele walao la koko wala wo wa rijo boni bifiri e baba wa ki bonode wa suma tegwa no so puri to puri de no paseki no ladia no wala de no do give justice man igbele a government of our own oge no dio we no revo e dio ni dio aru level e dio nyawo ni wa nyawo e die kanabu jino ya muja ye yekele aso assembly ni o jini kina that's about the blame my eti wa kini arrest ni any awo jina gwalo medu
Kakabo.
Vini wa amgbeli lu wa ma awo jini
Wala
when if you ya fe ye do ya fe ni adori jo boni bibi be mata le if you ya le ekineti mata ma gbina ne kakabo ibon ma edu tula le social media ye na do hare ba e ba kesu ba ma ya ne yi ma iya ya pe mi osun o ya pe yi le do side ya gbeli ya wa ke bo ke ya du ke bo de bu no meje ya wi papira yi ari papira ni ya degbe na ije na ma ri gwere gbe o side fu ma take na ku ma tene so we ma after for our land to be free for we to get justice and to have peace padomo wa ka bo tu wa ya
OS la when o take call iban hold on ogele ga make a call up.
Okay.
Thank you. I beg you now when they wash, you will never share and beg me kuna share this broadcast. You're sharing now your own part when you fit help all these Okiri people. These broadcasts, not be the way when they look at them. Some people don't know if they sit down again. All things will listen. Oh, listen, so for you think will listen.
Abo, wa valoro ge wa ge go viral. Our value in Avalira.
And ya blocking or okay no gi or blocking me.
We ma be need here.
Me ma be need there.
Ima ya go boa.
Ima
ni there. E wo pe sokolo no. We no mu there opo no to ni ma se. Ima asie so.
Asie boloa.
We no mu there.
E pitch here my hands will have your by now.
Aso agbele pitch here o ba.
All right. Oja call abo keriana. Nigga domo. Oye, magi swini wanako. No wewe ya weni ya mwe phone. Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, who's on the line?
Yeah, this is Kevin. Good evening, sir. Please, we this side sleep. Not let us sleep. Sorry to disturb you. We hear the Kevin from Scandinavia, Okiri people. We hear that the 3 suspects have been transferred to Oko. Can you tell us what really happened? You are the IPO. What happened? Did they confess? Did you take them to court? Sorry, sir. People are listening to you. We are in broadcast.
Okay, in the morning.
Okay, in the morning, we they work now. You carry the go court, they confess. FA4, why do we sway? What time IPO? IPO, yeah, we are here. Make una
Mudia olagwe when awu akwe gele kole o akole o play you na no ba.
Okay.
See I see so wakwe kole wakwe.
Well, Otamima o.
Where worry?
Here Otamima o.
Where worry?
All right. You will be get one call from America. America, up to you. May you call now before I call another person. We have here. When got money, you just sleep.
Where worry? Egba you can't get paid.
Hello, caller.
Hello?
Yeah, good evening. I'll be America. Hello? American and money now. I greet you.
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay.
Where are going?
We're low where you watching me. Low you watching me. Where did they go? Low you watching me. Low. What we want to we're turning. So anyway, man, we okay here.
Oh, the people where I call on my banner, DIP or WTC was not kind of.
Hey, call them. We work with my grandpa. Or what we in Vienna. What do you call them? We.
Okay, because okay. And when the catch you work, catch you. Hello, Anita.
We quite contribute to the issue. When you talk, talk where?
Only work for because you know, because they big in already na ho ko ka bo wa ije ni so kata bo wa ya ani ka lo bo ya ni nu nana mi ro ba gi ti we go dey wo ko ga ji ni papa no ya we le e ma no no mu go ri on ya nu ga di jopo ne fún ni mana je ro wa e ma mi ni ga di ni po èmi no logo ologoma ora so bobi e wa ni nya ga ba no keke nya de teti pikin je do gbegun adu konbisi wewe nuge teti go wa bua no ibe nya bo gba we ina na ni na ede nuge lawa nudu temata ne bo ya ma de fun ya ma e ma ni ologoma ka la yan di ko ga la yan di nya wo nya ke muzu e de ni yi e ma somebody. And when you can look that spiritual snake, every no let like one. Because not be at a mother because it was a lot of time already. When there is no peace for the wicked, no when already money. Ola kuko salo bala di bawo. Optimal on the river, Nigeria river. Ogele, Anita. Ogele, piano Sophia. Rima, at the Rima, Action speaker that voice. What do you know? You are Rima. What do you have? Where I wouldn't get in Nigeria. Not where can I? Put a woman in Nana, Salobua, or Begenia, Beguba. Let us see no be. Uvenia, Yemi Yamina. Ogele, the Salobua Dibao. Not back away. Any Babia. Emania Mama did me. Emania Mama, Vania Mama, Butania Mama, so obvious. Oga did me. Yeah, when we attack Mozo, Eria Ki, Eria Mieba Baba, Eria Jebu Yami said God. O Sanobo Jesunogi, when no see money, you were over Gage when you will be. You strong one. Emani, if it goes to me, he dies. I am only a way of distracting her. If I know what I see, I'm not going to move or you I'm making a no matter to tell women.
Voici na fure che na rokiri. Non America mavie, non diaspora mavie. Voici na fure che na ro. Idiokiri, Wakborio Koto.
Justice Mosori.
Agbe Akbayewari, almost all step down. Omana step down, your all step down, you disgrace. It don't say. Agbe no fit go House of Assembly with this kind of the video now. The man only me have project here tani. Only matter.
But I say like I want to get Gagewari kwa. Emine ni mama.
We're not saying there. Where I said who are we because we ime wala wana mi atam we then Yahoo. Eri me computer. Have video no was send it na. Wa Gagea have project. Me man only me any. The project here my kame. No agbe wa ya la. No wa ya la. The government House of Assembly. On your power gwalo. Because it only they make me no but they hear they make me because project 2022, project 2021. We me power. We me what? 2020. We me what? So nothing. Project. Even I borrow. So I know what they listen that one. So I don't go plan again. Except I will go cut. I will go settle down, cut up that place. Come on. Now that me won't look. Not be project. Not be project. When they draw and go back. Not be project. When I be everywhere inside the House of Assembly, why they don't work and act? Say only you know if you go and come with your elders.
Nigeria.
Yes.
234 703.
Hello, caller.
Ona koko wa.
What up, Baba?
Domo. Ina we ni jegeri ise. According to information in Maleho, owe gu ezoge eji mare ejuli. Owe juli we owe oriwe dievani ave ya ni o sponsor eva ni do gbiyen.
Iya.
Owe sponsor owe tai yan owe tai House of Assembly.
It's mentally deranged.
Madene Julie ni wa gugu na gugu. Madene Julie mandi ya so boss we. Ogbina yo to. Wo ka le ta we no pagbu e. Uwe no pagbu e. E no pagbu e. What dey Julie here do gbe ba na e Julie le si yo to a. O bia na pa. O ma na pa ye wo ni re wo ni duna. O wa pa ye o pa. When the baba finish him no.
Go eta ma we pa do sunu. Again, Iran, all right, chairman of the community. Julina Doto, 20 plots.
20 plots.
Yes.
Okuno.
Ewo
Okay, woo.
Yes. Ewo Yagba. Again, one Mr. Julius Adagboni, honorary youth chairman. Then, who are you? Are we able to negotiate with Tony? And we're not spending honey. Sorry, Julina spending honey here. I have the option. You want to hear a few Tony? Anna. Tony Ladnia, Evo, a few Tony. What is that?
Why not?
Even here, Julie, me ask me whether you maybe Julie ma no tara there, but me ask her Ladnia. If I said that, I was saying Julie will agree or Yagbaria will set it more. I know. Now, we are at Again, I will not be having the money. Who will get the optimal limit captain? I don't know what they do. So, they know the master will not immuna. My boy is here. Now, what you are key. Then, again, if you are no, you are to Tony. Even a Julie pay with Tony. Anywhere, Marie Cobo or Marie Quinivo. Eno gera wa pa ona wa ya wi oligo ni ya fe wo berima o hafa Ona wa violi goni. The boy wa fa Adam we di tana. Anywhere ni bun wa we he. Yokpa ona wa violi goni. Akora we do 300 dire. Iya ko we do ono na re. Iya ko even o he ma peke ya rigoni ne. Ona ya mu late Julius Adagbo. Ona do muere. Ohera we owama na areba ohegi eri go na no because otinye lekere o chop go na jinyobo. Ona amoni we. Ona do gbe be ye ona gbeye oto ni. Obere we tara.
Kalekwa.
Hello?
Kalekwa.
Then otori ne wo wa fiyan ne iji mare Julie. Eno ge na akin ona akin ero to ni ya fe. Ona ge boy na akin ero to ni. Wọ́n ìtàbà ìgbà báyìí ọ̀tà ló bọ́ àgbẹ̀. Ọ̀nà wa mọ̀ tọ́ ìlò tẹ́ àti ìdílé ní ọ̀nà wa kìí eléyìí à. That 20 plot.
24 plot.
20 plot.
24. Iya gbẹ̀yẹ wa with 24.
Ọ̀yẹ́ about 24, if I'm not mistaken.
24. Ọ̀yẹ́ bẹ ọmọ wẹ̀ wá kára tó bọ̀ ẹgbọ̀n yọ̀ náà, something like that.
Yeah. 24 plus. E no gena wa kin no tori e wo fi o tori ladin e wo fi ene we e wa ka gele no ma fi o tori no. E no gena wa ri o ball lo tori yin we e no wa ge boy say e yin na wa kin lo tori ya fe. Wo tara. Ni ni ewe ati Julie. Ni na go Julie o do sponsor e wa ni gbiyen. Even says ewoga amu ejuli rigo ginoge ya agbu igwe wo fun. Because ejuli ma ono de babona no do babona ona awe yo to tie a settlement na de un kekele de yo. Because egbo yere ni dano ya no ya ko de no igo sie igo. Ebi ni ya se digore de ba one of our uncle, no me signé Julie. Over in London. Where is that?
Yeah.
Eri ya signé go, ni na we Julie there. O vie wa ya gbiyen. O ni ezo a ya gbe because o we Julie o do vie e sa Julie o vie ma gbiyen. Avec me owo hen no. Avec mo we no gule go no. Avec mon oui le gono, avec mon oui you kiri no. Egbe ke ti beri oni yen ma efeli a.
Ofeli ne o. Ehia. Ofeli ne.
Eme no bi o ukiri. Oye be na ge imele bi hia ta amo oye na ga amo iwo. Amoiwo no wa imeyu nu osiunu gba.
I'm confused.
Eri emu eje.
Kola, ne no ton we ga agwa na this 24 plot. Boy here, boy ya he die. Owa ne no ton, ne no okona dollar no wa do here no kwa video.
Ona wa kiele dia. Ehia. So, emine wo ri.
Me ma understand. O when am wo to ne ma de. An ene go now. E o no ko iri. O ma no riwa.
Emine wo ri unia. Egene bo ya raza to be nema. Mana ido mwere we otona ne na riye ne ijima ne wo la wo. E wo na ido finye 20 we yen na isiane. Wo be na ka na e wo na ido finye ne isima na afion mana mommy ma yen na ido finye ne now. Enoge ma mwegbe na oya wo enoge ma te mwegbe na oya ri oto ni ne yeye. Wori do mari go wo. Mari wa kobo wi go ni enoge pa ni go ni ya fefe.
O me mo jane kola, o me ni ri okiri si ye. Agbegbe a. Bi na ya papa ni wa gbe
O ma re mi na ti yo egbe o. O
ma o na gbo ma wa, o ma o wa progress. Me ma understand. Omoya bi ehia na re na no bi ehia na do gbe doto. Obi ehia na igwe doto na owu ye me ihie ne aye egwe to gbe yo. Oye gore na oye wo. Ija awo wi ye we wane ya. Awe wo nogi, awu we ya. Sylvester, you wey dey watch. I know say nogi one of them dey watch. Nogi awu we ya. When I log if you kiri when I log here, all the gwe toto, over mi auto. What you gwe na? Uye police, mo be boya gbebo. If you kiri o si e gbe ya. Wa pa, e wo saloboa, uwe a wa pa. U pa, e ma he agbenye fana. Uwe a pa. E ma no giyan ni agbele ma wa. Ima ahun yan. Ima yan. E ma ta na ba info veri yan. Gwe ma gwa kola.
So, when I do feel Tony now, and when I do fear joy, where sister really go in, whether you never able, in my able, I do via no, okay, near you, Tony. I, Tony Mary Barney 24, yeah. Even when I was in any, Usian believe I want to offer a moving way. The man is why any I will not allow. Not allow because of the mama. On even in a time when I been ya agree the House of Assembly there now. Maybe in a really get the money my way at one with an Asia Moya.
Of course.
There is a man, there is even on the yard to Todoma meal to Mio Ivo, on a Mio Ivo Mio to. There's only where you got the most on the on the idea. You don't get a
I get no.
My brother, I call you when I time Wari House of Assembly. Wakane talk about where a no give a no give how it works in Benin. They no give they the community guero. When I read the watch of one man no I read you on not one area House of Assembly because you no get don't work alone. He work with the elders in the community. He didn't know get young winner. One Buwadi House of Assembly. One no where are your elders in the community? I'm here to remember if I had the House of Assembly, every outside river, if we had do we son, you is a corriba. Those are the things one the near to one.
Yeah, we are you get Yahweh
Yeah.
The very day the Makajo, we might igunga. Usi ana do asa we do kiri don fina we the community ajara do gi e ma yana we e no gi na ne police na e no gi ana we e ya wa pie wu hu
Okay.
Ya gbai wana ma he ne
ya gbai
ya e bo ya gbai ne so eni me ase sana no wa gbo boji me ya ko iwe le ka wa re di ogre eni na we no na pope ya si ogi mage ejuli na ni jeje be so ni bo eni ya se we na pewu de ti ma gwale no be ma ni do we settlement ni ma lo wa call yan
they don't give up the settlement no hear you
a memorandum of understanding na agbe ni
what you no be are okpa ni ya we anti they call collar bi e dokpa yo okpa ni what e collar we man the one the man ni awo wa yo
so that why they call yan ni awe buwagun
yeah wa free no forward they no be ago
most of them we no give na a settlement na uni in ga call yan ya in mwe phone oge
Olagwe. After 12. Yeah, okay.
The only thing, no, Nyawa Peto,
It's a very, very, very terrible thing to do with Black Airlines, and we need to. So there's an end when the Nigerian authority needs to also reach out to the Ethiopian Airlines to explain what happened.
let it come. Then from there, you people should continue. Or we equate. I'm not House of Assembly where any has to Tony. Now, so head of one thing. So
no wala. Okay, no wala. I think somebody be the call. Stop calling now. It is too late to. Okay. All right. They did the weather and the mass at the alarm. All right. Yeah, call now. We don't get call listen.
Hello.
Aha. Good my guansa. Domo.
Tosa.
Domo.
Yeah. So.
Amen.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. What is that?
Yeah, no tag good magwa.
Apart from Dennis.
But why no tag? Good magwa.
No. So only pame very well where in case any facing my mind any day. So this could go myself because I'm very station for about facing my bag any weekly. And talk about why you could have any creation can be washing in the robot in the rishi. In your back or can a man a tick of your man, the man with him. There is no peace about no part of the Mona. No, don't make it that peace. No, good look together. No, side, they can no car. So for that reason, the only way to see peace and harmony in Okiri is only one option. Oside de Okpawori. Ọjọ́ the Guamonoba. Ọmọ ẹ̀wọ̀n yàtàwà. Wọ́n yàtàwà sọ́bì náà lójú náà. Wọ́n yàtàwà wọ́n náà tó àníyàn. Ọ̀pẹ́ni kọ́tà òtọ́ ní wétẹ́rí ẹ̀wù dàsẹ̀ àníyàn rẹ̀. Ìyẹn kò yà abíyàn wúzòwe. Ìyẹn abíyàn nàbíyàn wúzòwe. Òtọ́ nìyẹn náà ọmọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ̀dá àwọn tó ẹ̀wọ́ ni.
Ye mo to e woni. Otare ni ma. Ni ana bugbo na se ala ogo ye. E kenye na le mad ya teneni the House of Assembly. Everything why where in your fire no can feel side there with here. It cannot change. So if you can get say you know what to do. Say our new way to be. Now we need to have more voice. If wherever a Kenyan is not tima, because that is the truth. This is the only way that I mean with you. In your doale adaka where ebuya. This is the only way I mean where I can see Bruce Oside our akwe forever. Because come on we you side they were bí bá ìmọ̀ àwọn adé ọmọ náà wé gbé ìdáná ká àpòwẹ́wò àpòbáwẹ́ ènìyàn sàádé ìwúwẹ́wò ọ̀sẹ̀ nana ite yí èrè for a very long time jẹ́ ìrí ẹ̀mú máa tẹ́ káṣọ̀n lọ́kẹ́kẹ́ ní àtẹ́ wẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ́ni lè ká ẹ̀dẹ́rẹ́ náà wáyé lè gbọ́ ẹ̀zọ̀ tọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́ẹ́nà náà ó ní wẹ́ ní compromise even sàrò bọ̀ ní màgá ọ̀gá gbọ́nyé bọ̀bọ̀ but ọ̀gá tẹ́nisó bọ̀bọ̀ but ọ̀gá tẹ́nisó ọ̀yẹ̀mí wọ̀. So the only thing looking at you kiri àmì aláwùdá Osade must go. This must
Kelly, we don't call it a day. Feel the broadcast because the network is bad now.
normal agreement and as part by that word that Osade must go. For me, I've already thrown him, I've already denying him, I've already disowned him as a leader of grace. There is nothing that can change it. So we all have to come to this agreement, and with the voice of everybody, we are a winner, and Osade must go. So only what is that? You could stand by this. Ni maamwe ekeke na njo egwano ya so bazebi no enyo pa ni makenwa mo mama go Osade. Because Omadu ji na only e ma na this. You know you create na Islam. So if you want to oppress us where we mean nothing to his face. So for that reason, I met in bon video. I jerry. I will come where Mama Gualo. So the man I think stand by this. But I'm where afraid to argue. Afraid not what to argue. I do argue.
Okay.
So while I went Kakabonga, because we need boldness. Because the only thing, okay, in Mayawa Amo and Wodion, is fine. But we have to take a bold step. So this is what we agree on. Osade must go. So no allow clarity Maya Ferry when I walk a Mijuwa, taking a Latina. Ni mammy shows the way on no, Emma. Somebody boy always it's down in my West of Baba.
Wese, Thomas, Wese. Ogele.
I call it deal. It's late.
Osayande must
Go. Okay,
that is it. Osayande must go. So if you kiri, egbemiya we oma we on the water, egbemiya we ni ma vivi. O say na we invite vivi. Ati bi aye fo ya popbian. Akele ya wi we mona yo nu wa be dan yo. Ru da we Osayande yon si ame no gbado. Gena ya no ma bo ye. Yesi.
Go on, yeah, Minuta.
Hello.
Yes, I will be you are. One of we were ye, Ugbewa, was ye boy. It was ye, me yubo. I what pay you are. It was ye, wet him, do I know. And yes, eh?
Olagwe.
Eyo kiri.
Why,
Eyo
you
wale je.
and yes, eh? I what better you are. One of we were ye, Ugbewa, was ye boy. It was ye, me yubo. I what pay you are. It was ye, wet him, do I know. And yes, eh?
Wayawe se no mai share broadcast na no share. Eri ma ta serve de na. Awe continue we ma wa hoe. Yo kidi wa zingbe ya we kita no zingbori fun. Benu wa kesu. Usaloboa ogba se yo wa rere na. Benu wa kesu. Benu wa kesu. Even man no ya obege protest in waka we no be. Why? But a connection to Saya Deme, all failure, all failure. So we are still there for the same track. Here, Aniamu suspect. When I judge case in here, a confession here confess. We want to know. Or not gain my own. Agbe must go. Agbe. What say broadcasting now? When okay, you know, give them or wash. Agbe give them a wash. Sylvester the wash. Make una tell her. And your brother, Sophie tell and say, only you know go fit be community. Everybody for community they complain about you. So leave out for the people. Join me tomorrow, the same time. Bye bye for now.